Our triumph is a foregone conclusion.
Protect our tractor beams.
It doesn't help that if you go up.
Threat detected. Republic light cruisers incoming.
I killed one thing.
How the fuck did the bomber kill me?
So the bombers have a bunch of missiles and torpedoes and shit. It's like they're not even
Going head on with this dude? Oh yeah. Went head on with a dude and just ran into him to kill him. Trying to shoot the ship, ran right into it. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Republic cruiser has sustained
Oh my god, I can't see where I'm going. Oh my god. Oh. There's people everywhere.
Our tractor beams are brought offline. The Republic cruiser will be freed.
Oh my god, there's people everywhere. Oh my god, I about ran head into somebody. Okay, we're going for this guy over here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Fuck the cruiser again, bro.
Detecting damage. Tractor beams critical.
I made it to level 2 for a fighter.
Advancing tactical plan. Enemy bombing run detected.
Oh, how did he fucking get me? Dude, I was lighting that fucker up.
Rallying action advised.
Tractor beams destroyed. Continue general defense.
Oh, I killed somebody!
There's a Millennium Falcon, what the fuck?
Enemy capital ships. Venator class.
Who's this? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Going out into the abyss!
Enemy
Almost
bombers
makes
breaking
shit.
through. Intercept.
The bomber is not.
Oh Jesus!
Orders. Prevent Republic forces.
Oh come on, take the dude out before this other dude takes me out.
Yeah, man, I just like slow or something.
Key tactical being targeted.
Good one out.
I'm just holding down the trigger and hoping I get something.
Oh my god!
I killed somebody. Look at that.
I'm all over the place.
Why are they always on top of me? Not even doing nothing. Where's my team?
I'm over here taking people out, what do you mean?
Fuck yeah, fuck.
All cruisers destroyed.
Oh my god, I ran into a fucking building.
Training necessary. Analyzing battlefield.
Communications array critical. Destruction imminent.
Bitch. Starting to kind of get the hang of this, baby. Oh my god!
Detected.
Oh yeah.
Enemy bombers destroyed.
Enemy bombers will hurt our chances.
Oh Jesus. Ah.
What?
I got an achievement.
God damn.
Didn't like it.
Hard as fuck.
Yeah.